No honey left.
Come on, Alien. There must be another way to cure hiccups.
What way, Wanda?
I'll come too. I know lots of other ways.
Good idea, Owl.
Don't be too long.
But I know how to cure hiccups.
Oh dear! Hiccuping sheep!
Owl?
Jumping up and down can stop the hiccups.
Hear that, sheep?
Bah. 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 Bah.
You'll have to jump higher than that.
Allow me. Que questo. Jumping high now.
But they are still hiccuping.
Oh, Alien. What are we going to do?
Oh, who's that?